Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to print a board in monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com, and you'll be greeted by a screen looking just exactly like this one. Now here, as you can see, you have everything about your profile. So you have your home screen, your work, favorites, we have the main table, and we have everything about it here. But now guys, let's see how we can actually go and you print a board in monday.com. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is that you can use the app, which the name of the app is Doc Export, to print on your boards. So you can go to Doc Export, which you can go and type here, of course. The app is available, Doc Export, and here you can go and print your boards. The app uses Word templates with placeholders. So you can specify which column you want to export. You can also use tables inside the Word template to reproduce the look of Monday. So basically you can go and reproduce the look of the monday.com website so that you'll have it looking like it was made there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.